Oh, let's see if we have better luck with this one. This is box 1. Alright, I'm taking things out. And already I'm seeing a hole, a dent. This is not looking promising. And this looks to be the last piece in this box, so let's see what we get. Okay, I'm opening box 2. Ouch. Looks to be doors. And I just nicked my finger on there. That's what you heard me say ouch about. Well, it looks to be for box 2, shelves and baseboard, kickboards. We'll see. Whoa, and box 3, last box. The reason in the beginning you saw so many boxes, we ordered 2 of these, so as we saw in box 1, one of the pieces was already damaged coming out of the box, so let's fingers crossed, let's hope everything else is smooth sailing. Yay, box 3 definitely has a taller part of the bookshelf. I can tell because of that corner cut. Under that piece looks to be the back that will unfold. Oh, I'm wondering if I'm down to the last piece in the box. Let's find out. It is the last piece in the box. Okay, so out of all of the pieces, only one was damaged, and that was in box 1. Yay, the damaged piece will be on the very, very bottom of the unit, because we are looking for the unit piece with 4. Ooh, I stand corrected. Ooh, not only do I stand corrected, but I was also incorrect, and I found another damaged piece in the box. I did not look at the other side when taking out, so this was box 1 that was damaged. The piece that I'm looking for is from box 3 and from box 2. There it is, box 2. Alright, step 3. This piece was in box 1. It was that damaged piece that I did notice from box 1. Which means I will have to go to the other box that I've ordered to use pieces. Okay, I took the second box that we had for the other unit. I took box 1 pieces that were damaged and I switched them out. So I have them locked in place. I did step 4, where you just push down and click them in place. I'm getting ready to slide the back part on, which is step 5. And I do remember from when I put together this unit in my other video that you want to make sure that the gray part is on the opposite side of what you're looking at so that you have that unfinished part of it facing the back. This is how it should look from the back side. Step 6 is trying to show you that you need this black piece. You can't see it really well on the camera. It's kind of a 4-pronged hole because later on in step 8, you'll be looking to plug these in there to kind of expand it to lock it in place. So those little short round pieces will go into the bottom in those 4 holes and then into the top into the 4 holes. I'm skipping step 7, but when you get to step 8, you just put this piece in and then it helps just lock it in place.